Decision Plus has been and still is a leading stock market service provider. From training to coaching, we cover it all. Try both our software as well as our coaching site, completely free for 10 days without obligation. No credit card is needed to sign up for the trial. The trial subscription will be automatically canceled for you at the end. DecisionPlus.com, your stock market service center. Real-time coaching has been created. We search and classify critical reports and technical movements. You can visualize or hear the best buying and selling opportunities. Get real-time advice all day long and 3 live coaching shows per day. Let us do the work and save your time for trading. Try MarketGurus.tv free without obligation for 10 days in the menus above. Market Vision Plus is the trading companion of so many investors. Make your fundamental and technical analysis easy with Canada's #1 stock market decision-making software. Research, decide, and follow your positions with Market Vision Plus. See the menus just above this program and try Market Vision Plus for 10 days without any obligation after the show. When it comes to day trading, Trader Plus is the right tool. Track 50 quotes simultaneously. Create dozens of quick lists. Display as many as 30 real-time intraday charts at the same time. Watch the action with candlesticks or bar charts as fast as 10 seconds. See the market by sectors. Use the chart models already prepared for you. Try Trader Plus for 10 days in the menu above without any obligation.
Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to the Swing Trading Show. We're Wednesday, August 21st. And the market went up this morning, but since then, not much happened. It's going to remain pretty quiet until the Fed announcement this afternoon. And in the meantime, we have a couple of results here. First of all, Target went up quite a bit this morning on a good earnings, 162 to 182. And Lowe's also went up quite a bit, $2 to $2.15. And Royal Bank is very stable, as all the financial market now is sideways, and there's no more direction there. Royal Bank 226, 222. The stock is at the 0 point right now. Walmart went up this morning, but now it's at 0, and they are suing Tesla. So Walmart is suing Tesla because in many of its stores they had a problem with the solar panel. So they went and fire in 7 stores. So now the Walmart is asking the judge to force Tesla to withdraw its solar panel from 240 Walmart store. And then Boeing said that they are going to hire, that's Tesla going down a little bit. And Boeing was breaking out today on a small bullish cycle there, saying that they have hired hundreds of workers to help the situation of the 737. And Jerome Powell is going to speak tomorrow at Jackson Hole at the annual Fed meeting, and they said that he is going to clarify the future of the Fed. So, the future intention of the Fed. And also, why the USO is there this morning, so we thought that was the reason why the stock tried to go to change their direction this morning right here. So we had a couple of movement for a couple of stock, but very little, very fragile. So it started up, but after that it just changed direction. Look at Husky Oil and Synovus and many other stock took off and finally changed direction and came right back. And it's because the Minister of Energy of Alberta has accepted that the producer will increase their production by 10 up to 20,000 barrels a day. And so we thought that was favorable for the oil company, but after all, it was all a false signal. So not much, as I said, is happening this morning. You see, it's going sideways. There's also another comment that I haven't spoke about. It's Trump that said also that yesterday. He confirmed again not being ready to conclude a commercial deal with China because UA is still at the center of the problem. So now nobody knows what's going to happen. So the real reason why the market is going up today are pretty mysterious anyway. So when we look at it, so USO went up and this morning, and then it went completely down, and the stocks are coming down as well. So now it's the gold that's going up, and the gold stock that climbed back up, probably in the eventuality of what the Fed will report this afternoon. So we may have an excess of volatility on the gold. The thing is, we just don't know in which direction it's going to be. It's going to depend really of the Fed. So in the cannabis, it's still not favorable in my point of view, even though that we had a couple of in movement today. But look, HMMG is so tightly sitting to its support. So I'm just not going to believe in these very small movement that we've seen. It may look very, very important, this movement on Aphria here, but look, it's 850 to 880, so that's 30 cents. It's not much. And look, right now it's just changing direction. It's coming back down. So profit taking. And Kronos did a little surge also and is coming back as well. So and probably Tilray is going to do the same thing. So and when you look at that, Aphria, Tilray, and Kronos. So on their daily chart, I mean, that's not very clear yet that the situation has changed. Look, and when you look at Kronos, the small intraday movement that we see is just within this small movement there. Sorry. And Tilray also, the movement you saw on Tilray there on its daily movement today. So that's today's movement of Tilray, but it's only this here. So it's not ready yet to acquire a position there in the sector, as far as I'm concerned. So you see the energy stocks are coming back. The gold stock are at zero, and more or less, the market is not doing much in Toronto, and even on the U.S. market, because the market sets itself up there this morning and nothing happened since. So it's at 2 o'clock at the Fed this afternoon. So we thought it could create some excess of volatility on the gold sector, but who knows? We never know. Nobody knows what they're going to say, and they will surely talk about the interest rate, of course. So look at like the movement, the healthcare movement is coming back because actually it's the cannabis stock that are coming back after this little jump. So I have no question for you guys. So there's not much else that we can say. So wait for 2 o'clock, see what's going to happen this afternoon, and check the gold while the Fed is going to be talking. Thanks very much for attending.